Hi, today we'll be doing a how to pair video for the Sennheiser Momentum 3 True Wireless Earbuds. Let's get started. Before starting the pairing process, make sure you have your earbuds fully charged through the USB-C port on the case. Once you have it charged, take out your earbuds and hold on the left and right surfaces for 3 seconds, and the LEDs should light up red and blue. In your Bluetooth settings, you should now be able to see the True Momentum 3s show up for pairing. Once you have it paired to your phone, you can download the Sennheiser Smart Control app on your phone to adjust EQ and external noise control settings as an option. To pair with your computer, you can follow the same steps listed above. If the pairing method doesn't work, you can reset the earbuds by deleting the device from your settings and starting the process over. This has been a how to pair video for the Sennheiser Momentum 3 True Wireless Earbuds. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. The Momentum 3 True Wireless Earbuds are available now on Brandswalk and can be purchased through the links in the description. Thank you for watching and see you next time.